I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the top 10 best options every time. Let's talk about HelloFresh. Folks looking for fresh, healthy, and responsibly sourced ingredients will appreciate HelloFresh's meal kits. Each nutritionally balanced meal comes with easy-to-follow recipe cards and all the ingredients you need to whip up a healthy and flavorful meal in roughly 35 minutes. There's plenty of meal varieties, and HelloFresh gives you lots of flexibility when placing your orders. HelloFresh has 23 new recipes each week on the Classic plan. There's also a veggie plan and a family plan if you've got kids or just want more meals. If you're going Classic, HelloFresh offers 3 options. Stay fit with meals clocking in at roughly 650 calories each, quick and easy recipes for faster meal prep, and variety that delivers a fun and eclectic menu. HelloFresh is not an exclusively organic meal delivery service. However, it does use fresh, sustainably sourced ingredients and even fosters a personal business relationship between farmers and suppliers. But if you're looking for certified organic, HelloFresh isn't going to be your best choice. HelloFresh has a veggie plan that's the same, sans meat, fish, and chicken entrees. There are also more tailored meals for low-cal diets. However, there are no specific keto, paleo, gluten-free, or other allergy-friendly plans. HelloFresh lets you order 2, 3, 4, or 5 recipes each week for either 2 or 4 people. There are no contracts or commitments, and you can skip a week, pause your subscription, or cancel at any time. You can choose your own meals or opt for the chef-curated specials. HelloFresh delivers to all zip codes within the United States, except Alaska and Hawaii. During the ordering process, you'll be given a list of available delivery dates for you to choose from. HelloFresh delivers 3 days of the week, so you can select the most convenient one for you. HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service, so you're not getting ready-made meals. Instead, HelloFresh sends you all the ingredients you need precisely measured out with detailed recipe cards to walk you through the meal prep process. Proteins are packed in ice to keep them fresh. HelloFresh is definitely one of the most popular meal kit delivery services because it does a great job of combining quality, healthy ingredients and 5-star recipes that are easy enough to follow for just about anyone. Meals are quick and easy to make, and there is a ton of variety. All HelloFresh meals take approximately 35 minutes to prepare. This is longer than the average heat and eat ready-made meals. But a half an hour to throw together dinner is still pretty fast. Recipes are easy to follow and don't require any previous cooking skills. HelloFresh has a massive help center on the site that's searchable and easy to browse for quick DIY and Q&A. You can also call or chat with a member of the customer care team. HelloFresh has an app for Androids and iPhones and periodic COVID-19 updates as well. HelloFresh meals start at $7.49 and go up to $10.99 per serving. You can also get free shipping and a big discount on your first 4 orders when you start using the service. HelloFresh packs a lot of value into each meal kit delivery. Fresh and sustainably sourced ingredients are delivered to your doorstep along with easy-to-follow instructions for cooking up a storm. If you like the idea of fast, fresh, home-cooked meals, HelloFresh is a great option for you. I hope this video helped you decide whether HelloFresh is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.